Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, August 28th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino, CDM number 9. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe. It actually helps the channel out quite a bit. And if you're interested in what's going on in the tropics, whether or not there's going to be a coastal storm next week, I explain why it won't be, so just a little preview there. And also the overall weather pattern through rest of fall and into September, definitely check out the Premium Consulting membership, only $15 a month. Now, let's take a look at the observations. It is beautiful outside. I'm running a little behind today because I walked outside and just enjoyed the weather. I mean, honestly, we got down to 49.8 degrees here in Freehold, New Jersey, which is right about here. It's warming up now that the sun is up, so we have temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s in your suburbs, mid to upper 60s in your urban areas, a few lower 70s along the southern New Jersey coast, upper 60s to lower 70s, with more of a southwesterly wind as we have high pressure now pushing off the coast. This cold front and the showers associated with it will be moving through tomorrow, but more bark than bite. A lot of your best lifting and dynamics are going to be focused more towards New England rather than the northern mid-Atlantic. So we'll probably get this area right here of scattered showers. Not a washout or anything of that nature, just a few pesky showers here and there. When we take a look at the latest visible satellite picture coming in right now, you could see just pretty much scattered cloud cover, and that is about it, with one short wave right here passing on through. On the infrared satellite picture, you could see that cold front with some lifting. You have some colder cloud tops, but nothing really that's all that impressive here. So this cold front swings through, and it sets up this air mass to invade just in time for the Labor Day weekend, providing excellent weather conditions. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Sky cloud cover is expected, no rainfall. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast. A few lower 80s are possible on the I-95 corridor, especially around Philadelphia. Talking about 79 to 81. Okay. So, and low humidity. So we got that going for us. For tonight into tomorrow, look for increasing cloud cover lows in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s in the suburbs, mid to upper 60s in your urban areas and along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, the cold front moves through, but again, a few scattered showers. Not looking for a wash or anything like that. So if you have outdoor plans, I wouldn't cancel them. Just have an umbrella handy for about a 15 to 20-minute shower, and that's about it. Looking about a tenth of an inch of rain, if that. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor, and mid to upper 70s along the coast. On Saturday, high pressure will be in control with clearing skies. Excellent weather conditions, low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s in your suburbs, mid to upper 50s along the coast and in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s on the I-95 corridor, mid 70s along the coast. On Sunday, high pressure and complete control with scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s in your suburbs, upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s along the I-95 corridor. On Monday, Labor Day, high pressure remains in control. We're going with scattered cloud cover. There is some indication of a few isolated showers, but based on the lower levels of the atmosphere, I think that's just scattered cloud cover. So we're looking at low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior and along the coast. Upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor. So if you have any plans for this whole weekend, really not any type of issues whatsoever. Now on Tuesday, we'll have a trough hanging around with some scattered cloud cover and possibly an isolated shower, kind of like what we're going to be experiencing, what we've been experiencing for much of this week. Scattered clouds and an isolated shower here and there. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior and along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor. On Wednesday, scattered cloud cover is expected. Look for an isolated shower possible. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over the interior and along the coast. Lower to mid 80s on the I-95 corridor. And on Thursday, next Thursday, look for scattered cloud cover with, again, an isolated shower possible here and there with high pressure giving way and a trough hanging around the area. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures a little bit warmer. Looking for upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s on the I-95 corridor, and mid to upper 70s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.